Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest scoop on the OnePlus 12. With its launch just around the corner, let's explore what OnePlus has in store for us with this new release. Hardware specs. The OnePlus 12 is poised to make a grand entrance with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 ROM, promising super-fast performance and efficient multitasking. It's also equipped with a substantial 5,400 mAh battery, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent charging needs. Cooling system. A standout feature is the new dual cryo-velocity VC cooling system, designed to effectively manage heating issues and ensure a smooth and fast experience. It's the largest cooling system in OnePlus's history, demonstrating their commitment to innovation in device performance. Display and camera. Prepare for a mesmerizing visual experience with the OnePlus 12's larger 6.82-inch 2K display, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. The camera setup is equally impressive, including a 48-megapixels wide-angle lens, a 48-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 64-megapixels telephoto lens. And for those selfie moments, a 32-megapixels front-facing camera is there to capture it all. OnePlus 12R. Alongside the OnePlus 12, the OnePlus 12R is also making waves. It boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a high-resolution 1.5K display. Under its hood lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, offering up to 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 1 TB of storage. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixels main sensor, an 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixels macro sensor. The OnePlus 12 series is shaping up to be a game-changer, blending top-notch hardware, innovative cooling technology, and superb camera capabilities. Stay tuned for the official launch on January 23rd, and as always, we'll bring you the latest updates as they happen.